Hello, welcome to Umbrella Programming. Please do subscribe my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about mathematical operators in list, that is plus star concatenation operator and repetition operator. Star is for repetition, plus is for concatenation. This is applicable for strings also. In strings also we have a plus operator for concatenation and star operator for repetition, and tuple also it is applicable, concatenation and repetition. I'm going to teach separately in strings and tuples about this topic. Okay, right now in list what happens. So I'm taking a basic list, that is 10, 20, 30 is my list. So first we go with concatenation. I wanted to concatenate list L is equals to L plus L. I wanted to concatenate. Both should be, when I'm trying to concatenate, both should be of a list type. If one is list type and another one is any other type, then we are going to get type error. Here my output will be 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. This will be my output. In list, order is important. In what order the values are, in the same order the output will be getting. So if I'm trying to take here L2 is equals to 40, 50, I took L2 is equals to 40, 50. Now another example, L is equals to so L2 is equals to L plus L2. Okay, now my output will be, first I have in my concatenation I used L first. So first L, 10, 20, 30, and now I'm going to concatenate with 40 and 50. Next comes L2, right? So 40 and 50. Both in concatenation both should be of same type, otherwise we are going to get type error. Let's check it out in an IDE. Okay, L is equals to L plus L2. Print L. My output should be, first I took L, that is 10, 20, 30, and after that I'll be getting 40, 50. It's like an appending to list 1, list 2 in a same list. That will be in L1. Okay, now I'm trying to print L. So my output will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is my output. So if I'm taking one is of list type and another one is of, instead of list I'm taking integer value. Okay, some 7. Now I'll be getting type error, because both should be, when I'm trying to concatenate, both should be of list type. Here I took integer value, so not int to list, not int to list, type error. So this happens. Instead of list, I'm trying to take some string value. Here also not string, you have to take list type, it says. Okay, this is about concatenation operator. Let's go and see string repetition operator. So for repetition operator, one should be of list type, another one should be of integer type. Repetition is a star operator, one should be of list type, another one should be of integer type. If I'm, instead of integer value I'm taking any float value like 2.7 anything, then I'm going to get a type error. Both, one should be of list type and another one should be of integer type in list repetition. So we learned multiplication tables in our childhood, right? 3 fours are 12. 4 into 3, 4 threes are also 12. Here also same. 2 star L or L star 2, both are same. Both are same. Both are going to give the same results. There will be no type error or anything. Okay. So my now output will be L star 2, right? So L is 10, 20, 30. I have to print it for 2 times. So this is the first time and next one is 10, 20, 30. So this will be my output. Let's check it out in an IDE. So L2 is equals to L2 star 3 I'm trying to take, print L2. My output will be L2, right? 40, 50, 3 times 40, 50, 40, 50. This will be my output. Okay, let's 40, 50, 40, 50, 40, 50. This is my output. Instead of integer value, I'm trying to take some other value like 3.7. Now I'll be getting type error. Cannot multiply sequence by non-int of type float. So it should be of integer type. As I said, L2 star L3 or 3 star L2 both are of both gives the same results. So let's check it out. L2, 3 star L2 both gives the same result. This one. That's it for this video. And for concatenation, both should be of list type. For list concatenation, both should be of list type. If you are going for strings, both should be of string types. If you are going for tuples, for concatenation, both should be of tuple type. If repetition operator, if you are going for repetition operator in list, one should be list type and another one should be integer type. For strings, one should be string type and another one should be integer type. For tuple also same. When we are going for repetition operator, one should be tuple type and another one should be integer type. That's it for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.